Korean artist Mr. EK's artistic focus lies in the portrayal of human faces, a passion or desire to uncover the stories of different people. His choice of Jimin was driven by a personal admiration for the artist. E says that when his subject matter is someone he already appreciates, the creative process becomes significantly enjoyable. E chose not only other K-pop idol but Jimin as the muse for his artworks. E explained that Jimin always stood out to him for his unique charm. When you go to Mr. EK's Instagram, you will find out that he has a great interest in capturing only human faces. You will find different faces on his page, but Jimin has dominated the most part of his Insta page. He has uploaded lot of Jimin related artworks there. In an interview, Mr. EK has said that after listening to BTS's music for the first time, I felt that Jimin had a unique charm to himself. His face has a unique characteristic in which it has the combination of Eastern and the Western charm and male and female beauty that exist together. Every angle of his face has a different personality and it gives off a different kind of allure depending on the lighting and expression. Mr. EK has gained significant recognition for his artworks inspired by BTS Jimin that were showcased at the 2022 Focus Art Fair, Paris at the Carousel du Louvre from September 1 to 4, 2022. He believes that when his subject matter is someone he already likes, the process becomes much more enjoyable for him. His art attracted many armies to visit the fair, which recorded over 10,000 footfalls over the period of 4 days. Mr. EK says that, I heard from the officials that many people were waiting at the entrance to see the work modeled after Jimin of BTS. I was nervous and moved by the interest of people. Above all, I thought I should repay with a better work. Mr. EK is absolutely right. Jimin has a face with unique personality that stands out. His beautiful facial features are rarely found. His face sometimes shows the feminine beauty and the toughness of a male according to the expression. The angelic features of Jimin's face and personality makes us confused that is he a real human being or an angel, and when he performs on the stage, it feels like an angel is really performing in front of our eyes. So what do you think about Jimin's facial features? You can tell me in the comments, and if you want this kind or other kind of Korean content, you can like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Till then, annyeong everyone.